In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a section break in Google Docs. Section breaks are useful when you want different headers, footers, margins, or page orientation within the same document, but they can also get in the way or cause formatting you don't expect. They're different from simple page breaks because they carry layout settings from one part of your document to the next. So when you remove one, you're telling Google Docs to treat those sections as a single continuous section. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to remove one. To make the process easier, start by making section breaks visible. At the top of Google Docs, click View, then enable Show Non-Printing Characters. This reveals the hidden formatting marks that don't print, including a clearly labeled line for each section break. Seeing that line on the page takes the guesswork out of what you're deleting. Now scroll to the part of your document where the section break appears. With non-printing characters turned on, you'll notice a horizontal line labeled section break, sometimes followed by a type such as next page or continuous. That label confirms you're looking at the right thing. Position your cursor precisely. Click just before the section break label so your blinking cursor sits immediately to the left of it. The placement matters. If the cursor is after the label, your next keystroke will target the wrong character. Right before the label is the sweet spot. Delete the break using the correct key. Press the delete key on your keyboard, not backspace. Backspace erases text to the left of your cursor, which often removes words above instead of the break itself. The delete key removes what's to the right of the cursor, which is exactly the section break you selected. Once you press it, the labeled line disappears and your content flows together. Repeat the same process anywhere else you see a labeled section break you no longer need. After removing a section break, you might notice layout changes. That's normal because section breaks often control margins, header and footer variations, or page orientation between sections. If something shifts, review your page layout settings so the document looks the way you intend. Make sure the margins are correct, your headers and footers are consistent, and the page orientation matches what you expect for the remaining section. And that's it. Quick, clean, and under your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.